What's up guys, Clay with EKNIVES.com. We have here a new model to the EKNIVES family. This is the Hellraiser from Red Horse Knife Works. Been admiring these guys for a while. This is carbon fiber, satin finish. We've got stonewash as well. We've got carbon fiber PVD. We've got micarta in black and green, got stonewash, we got satin, we got a lot of flavors, guys. These are super cool. Love this thing when Ed from Red Horse first brought this out. Really cool. We've also got the Condor cigar cutter. This bad boy, M390. We've got black carbon fiber inlay. We've got satin. We got stonewash. We got a lot of flavors, guys. We got PVD, M390 on all of these cigar cutters. These are super cool. So we got a lot of stuff in the Red Horse family. Hitting the site, eknives.com, guys. Have any questions? 423-525-9477.